these are the things that we had a hard time doing when we were 67 and 88 plus pounds. We would have given up. We would have taken a picture at the bottom where the parking lot is, and we would have called it a day. And we would have missed one of the most amazing sights ever. But our legs had to hike us in, and we're now hiking out. It's a 5.5 or so mile trek in and out, but it's got high elevation, so it's quite the workout. You need to get those squats and walking on a treadmill, doing all the stuff at home to be able to do the fun stuff like we're doing now. And it is fun. It's not a chore. It's not hard the way that it felt before when we did try to push ourselves even to do 1 mile to try to explore when we were touristing around or doing the national parks. So it's totally worth it, not just for your longevity, but living life and seeing things that other people might not be able to and can't go into remote spots like we just did. A remote blue lake fed by glaciers at the top of the peaks of the mountains, and getting to just see nature and have nature interact with us, like the mama goat that came to us with her baby goat while we were having a snack and having a moment with us. Those are priceless moments that you can give yourself. You know, another thing that when I did muster through, and we did go touristing, and I walked miles and miles when we were in Europe or doing something like this, I would have never been able to do what we did today, but I would have done a lighter version of it. And at the end of the day, I would have been exhausted, wiped, and I would have had to take an off day, and I would have been in so much pain, and I would have had to take ibuprofen or anti-inflammatory or something to help me with the muscle aches and the pains. And now there's no exhaustion, there's no pain, there's no feeling bad from the good that we just did. So it's totally worth it to be living with no restrictions.
These memories will stay with me.
This is our perspective. We were here first, but she decided to come down here. Baby has decided to take a rest and cop a squat on the field of flowers. Mama doesn't seem to care much about us anymore. Hopefully she knows we're no threat.
These memories will stay with me.